Today we're going to be talking about pinching zinnias. Danette asked a question about when and where do you pinch a zinnia in order to get a fuller, bushier plant. Now I don't pinch because I like a tall plant, but if you're going to do it, you would take the plant at about 8 inches tall, maybe 12 inches here, and you would cut off the leading, which is this one right here, the leading flower stalk. That'll force the plant to push out stalks on either side. And that's how you get a bushier plant. I like a tall plant to compete with all the other tall plants we have here, especially in the middle of the bed. So I leave them alone. I just plant them, leave them alone. Danette's second question was, how do I prepare the beds for planting? These beds are pretty big, so I don't do a whole lot. The soil that we have is heavy clay, and it's very difficult to till. And there is a school of thought that says, don't till your soil. It disturbs the microbial layer. So all I do is rake it off in the spring and then plant. And then the guys come along and mulch afterwards. So it's too much to do anything really major. Compost can be put on, but you can't really scratch it in. It's too much. So the soil's fairly fertile, so that's all I do.